A very good afternoon to all the enthusiastic Vivites. A very good afternoon, Mr. Charan Gaud, Mr. Nagarajan, Kota Srinivasa Rao, Puri Das, Manish Gupta, Mr. Emmanuel, Sendil Kumar, Gayatri Manikandan, Charu Gupta. A very good afternoon, Mr. R.R. Mohammed, Atota Praveen. A very good afternoon, Suvarna, Shruti Naidu. A very good afternoon, Mr. Joseph, Mr. Lokesh, Praveen Kumar, Sandhya. A very good afternoon, Mr. Praveen Kumar, Peddanna, Mr. Amandeep. A very good afternoon to all the enthusiastic Vivites who are watching this wonderful Facebook live series called as Ask the Doctor. This is a continuous Facebook live series which is broadcasted on a daily basis, giving information about our wonderful wellness products. Well, my dear friends, this is a fabulous Monday again, and I'm back here with the information on this wonderful product, iPulse. Well, our super brand, our one and only super brand that we have right now, the iPulse. Well, my dear friends, I welcome you all to this wonderful Facebook Live series. I also request you to host watch parties or share this video on other social media platforms as well, so that everyone who is watching this gets benefited by watching this wonderful videos and get the product knowledge can be obtained, so that it can result in a very good scientifically validated and a logical promotion, my dear friends. So as I want to repeat this again and again, I would like to tell you that I will be coming live every afternoon at 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So I will be talking about our Indian wellness products. I will be on live Friday night at 10 o'clock Indian Standard Time, 10 p.m. in the night, wherein I will be speaking about the American product iVed. This will be broadcasted on Indus Viva INC Facebook page, my dear friends. So I welcome you all to this wonderful Facebook Live series again. So if someone has not liked our pages, Indus Viva / Vibrant Viva as well as Indus Viva INC, I request you all to like our pages. So if someone has not liked, please do tell them to like the pages so that they can see me live every day at 1:30 p.m. So today is a wonderful Monday, so I will be talking about the iPulse. I will also be answering your questions which were left unanswered last week. So you can also start shooting me your questions right now. Until I end a short topic on iPulse, I will be able to answer your questions once I end the short topic of this day as well. So I will be covering the last week's questions followed by the present week's questions as well. So I welcome you all again. So let us start this session without much delay. Well, iPulse, as you all know that iPulse has become a brand identity by itself. iPulse is my pulse. iPulse is a super brand in itself today. Well, my dear friends, as I told you before, all the Indus Viva products are called as frontline immune boosting products. As I told you, immunity is not related to your whole body. Immunity is definitely related to your whole body, but it is also related to each and every cell of your body, each and every tissue of your body, each and every organ of your body. All the three things, if they are intact, then your body is set to have the best immunity and resistance. This is what is exactly called as immunity, and that is the reason why all the Indus Viva products are referred to as frontline immune booster products. I hope you got my point clear. Well, as I've previously told you, I'll be speaking about some of the important updates which are coming in the scientific world, which is relevant to iPulse as well as the current scenario of COVID-19. See, now the World Health Organization is telling that the transmission of COVID-19 might be airborne. I would like to repeat the statement again. The World Health Organization is now telling that the transmission of this particular COVID-19 disease might be airborne, and it issues the new guidelines as well. Well, the WHO is now telling that COVID-19 can be transmitted or spread through the air. Well, we don't have much evidences about this, but still the scientific world is actually trying to dig out and find out evidences, supposedly if the disease is actually spreading by air transmission. 100% it is not there even right now, but the scientists are working towards it. Well, think of a scenario if really the disease spreads by air. What would exactly happen? See, all of us might be affected with the disease if the airborne transmission actually happens. But at this point in time, Even the scientists are not sure, the researchers are still going on if the disease is airborne or not. Well, before all those things, let us not think about airborne or waterborne or fireborne or whatever it is, but to keep your body immune is a very important thing that one has to follow. If your body is not having enough immunity or resistance, you should worry about all these things in future. If your body is having enough immunity and resistance, you don't have to think about all these born kind of diseases. You don't have to worry about all these things. So first, stay healthy, stay safe, be immune. The resistance has to be more in your body, so automatically you will not suffer from any kind of diseases in the future. I hope you got my point clear. That is how the first mantra of the day is, please take care of your immunity. Your immunity has to be proper inside your body so that none of you will suffer from any kind of dreadful diseases in the future, including the viral diseases. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, my friends, the Indian Express, the new Indian Express yesterday, June 9th, 2020, the new Indian Express decoded a study of how the immune system protect the kids from severe COVID-19. Well, all these days we have been speaking about the COVID-19 situations in case of adults. Well, the children are also not spared these days. Suppose if you are tech savvy or in fact reading the newspapers or the television channels, one or the other place in India, one or the other kid is actually getting affected with this particular COVID-19. As such speaking, the children's immune system is very weak as compared to the adult's immune system. Well, it is a very important thing for all of us to keep our children's immune system intact. That is the reason why adult immune system is one part of it. Children immune system also has to be taken care of. Their immunity and resistance levels have to be improved. That is the reason why children are more vulnerable to diseases as compared to the adults. That is the reason why the children's immune system is also very important to us, not only the adult's immune system, my dear friends. That is the reason why Indus Viva, if you see, we have the products which can have the holistic immunity given to you either from the head till the toe. That is what exactly is called as holistic immunity. See, we don't have a gender bias or a age bias here. People from pediatric to geriatric age group or the old age group can definitely consume our products and get the best of the best health, as well as a very good antioxidant, as well as immunity inside their bodies, my dear friends. So for that reason, everybody must consume the Indus Viva products. This is how Indus Viva products can help you out to gain more and more better resistance to the body. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, everybody knows that how is immune system improving inside our bodies. It is always because of the presence of antioxidants. Immune system always improvises or improves inside the body. If you don't have enough antioxidants inside our bodies, definitely the immune system will not improve. That is the reason why the antioxidants which are produced in our bodies is always on a very low range. Your body will not produce more and more antioxidants, and the atmosphere right now is also right, which is not apt to that. That is the reason why it is always important for you to consume the antioxidants from outside. That is the reason why we call a terminology called as dietary antioxidants. That is the reason why dietary antioxidants are nothing but our iPulse. iPulse contains antioxidants which are otherwise called as dietary antioxidants. I hope you got my point clear. So whenever you consume dietary antioxidants, one can definitely get their own bodies protected from all kinds of dreadful diseases. I hope you got my point clear. Well, immune boosting supplement. One more important article I wanted to share with you today. Again, it appeared in the month of July 9th, 2020 in the Times of India. So July 9th, 2020 in the Times of India, Ayush is actually making a lot of remedies these days. There is something called as Ayush Kada, which is actually given to the people who are staying in the quarantines or isolations. That is how Ayush is actually helping out people to cope up with these kinds of dreadful conditions. That is how Ayush is actually making their traditional preparations now more scientific, so that each and every one of us is protected these days. See the relevance of the traditional Ayurvedic systems of medicine and the current scenario these days. This article appeared quite recently on 9th of June 2020 in the Times of India, where a recipe of immunity, they call it as a recipe of immunity, otherwise called as Ayush Kada, which is actually given to the COVID-19 patients. I am just trying to talk about the similarities, I am just trying to talk about the importance of traditional systems of medicine like Ayurveda, which is actually having a lot of influence, a lot of benefits that it can provide to the human body so far as to increase the immunity and gain more and more resistance. This is what exactly is called as immunity. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, as you all know that antioxidant status is a very important thing. Whenever your body has a lot of antioxidants, your immune system normally boosts up. So that is the reason why iPulse is a wonderful product which contains the richness of 15 antioxidant fruits. Acai berry is the most important fruit. Along with that, 14 antioxidant fruits are also present in iPulse. Well, the most important thing that one has to know here is acai berry is the main fruit. Along with that, the 14 other antioxidant fruits are also present in iPulse. As I told you, these antioxidant fruits can provide you the essential antioxidants which are required for the human body. As I told you, whenever the human body is exposed to any kind of oxidative stress, free radicals are generated within the human body. So that is the reason why antioxidants are normally liberated within the human body itself. But whenever the antioxidants are very less in the human body, it is always important for you to consume more and more antioxidants, which are otherwise called as dietary antioxidants. That is the reason why a human body at least requires 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. But are we getting that 5000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis is the main question. That is the reason why if one consumes 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, that is 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, one can definitely get antioxidants of 7000, that is ORAC score of 7000 can be obtained in a day. This is a very important thing for the human body to get itself have that resistance towards dreadful diseases in the future. I hope you understood my point. As I told you, acai berry which is present in iPulse is one of the most important exotic fruits which has this potent antioxidant ability. See, one of the articles which appeared in the month of May 2020 in the US, there is a magazine in the US called as The News of Tennessee. Tennessee is actually a state in US. There is a magazine in the state of Tennessee called as The News. This was published in the month of May 2020. The article says something like this. Acai berry procurement has increased to $490 million this year, which means that the whole world is looking at the most important ingredient which is present in iPulse called as acai berry. The market for acai berry has increased a lot these days owing to the COVID-19 scenario, because as you all know that acai berry is a very important herb which is containing a lot of antioxidants which can improve your immune status. That is the reason why the acai berry availability as well as the market, the procurement as well as the requirement of acai berry is actually improving day by day across the world. I am telling, I am not just telling about the Indian consequences. I am talking about an article which was printed in the United States of America in the May 2020. That is the reason why lot of US dollars, 490 million US dollars have been spent on procuring this wonderful ingredient called as acai berry, my dear friends. But don't have to worry about it. Our product iPulse has enough acai berry with us inside our the manufacturing premises. We have wonderful vendors who are actually tied up with us from the South American continent, who are providing us this wonderful ingredient called as acai berry. I hope you got my point clear. So we will not be exhausted with this wonderful ingredient acai berry, my dear friends. I hope you got my point clear. So as I told you, acai berry is botanically identified as Euterpe oleracea. Euterpe oleracea is actually called as acai berry. If one sees the packaging of iPulse, there is something written as Euterpe oleracea which is written on the back of the pack. Whenever you see this Euterpe oleracea, you have to infer this with acai berry. This is the botanical name or scientific name of acai berry. So acai berry is actually called as a super fruit. Why it is called as a super fruit and not a normal fruit? It is because super fruits are fruits which contains optimum nutrients in this. It contains optimum collection of vitamins and minerals in this. That is why it is called as super fruit, my dear friends. Super fruit of acai berry is indigenous only to the forests of South America. Amazon forests of South America. It is not available elsewhere in the world. It is one of the best ingredients for optimum cardiac support or heart support. One thing that all the people who are watching this program have to know is immune boosters or immunity has been spoken of most of the times these days. But I would also like to tell you one important thing. Acai berry is also one of the best ingredients for optimum cardiac support, heart support. That point also everybody needs to know. Well, apart from that, acai berry is also one of the wonderful ingredients which is an antioxidant for anti-aging support also, and it has an ORAC score of more than 1 lakh. This is also a very important thing so far as its taste parameters are concerned. See, one important thing that I want to emphasize to everyone here is there are a lot of other antioxidants which are present in the world, but you cannot use them because of their taste profile. Suppose if your food is too spicy, suppose if your food is too salty, suppose if your food is too sour in nature, will you be able to eat it? Definitely not. That is the reason why even though you have thousands of antioxidants available in the world, you will not be able to use it because their taste is hopeless. Their taste is very bad and non-palatable. You will not be able to ingest a single piece of that antioxidant inside. But when it comes to the point of acai berry is an antioxidant which has a bland taste. Bland taste in the sense it does not have a taste. It is nearly tasteless. That is the reason why acai berry is actually used at a percentage of 14% in our product. 14% in our product, my dear friends. That is the reason why you can use this product, you can use this acai berry up to 14% in some of the drinks. I hope you got my point clear. The taste is the one which matters here a lot. You have a lot of antioxidants, but their taste is highly not palatable. So you will not be able to take them inside. That is the reason why it is always important for you to consume acai berry, as it is having very less taste as well as negligible taste, as I can tell you. Well, acai berry is an important fruit for immune system support. It is also inspired by the space drink AS10, which is developed by NASA. It is also used as a food for centuries, and there are more than 60 scientific publications which are validating the scientific importance of acai berry. One important thing I want to tell you here, there are a lot of internet blogs which are writing a lot of adverse effects or negative effects of acai berry. I would like to tell you one thing, my dear friends. Always you should look into the scientific credibilities or the scientific publications whenever you are coming to a conclusion on a particular ingredient. You should never concentrate on these internet blogs. So many people are writing blogs. Whatever they want, they are writing on the blogs, irrespective of the scientific validation. So you don't have to worry about all those things. You should always think about the scientific validation of the ingredient and their effects on the human body. That is very important, and not the blogs which are written by Tom, Dick and Harry. So people do write that. Don't worry about it. It is their right to write it. So you don't have to worry about it. You always have to trust on the scientific validation, which in Indus Viva, we are doing it 24/7, my dear friends. That is the reason why our products are called as evidence-based, scientifically validated products. I hope you got my point clear. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, as I told you, acai berry is actually used in the form of freeze-dried powder. Well, we are not using the pulp or juice of acai berry in the product. We are using the powder of acai berry in the product. We call this as freeze-dried powder. See, freeze-dried in the sense what we do is we freeze the fruits of acai berry to minus 80 degrees. After that it is powdered, and the powder that we get out is called as a freeze-dried powder. The importance of this freeze-dried powder is whatever the quality of the fruit which is present on the tree is present in your apples. This is what is exactly called as the freeze-dried powder. We are not compromising on the quality parameters of the fruit of acai berry. So whatever the quality is there on the tree top, the same quality is available in the bottle of apples also. This is what is exactly called as freeze-dried powder, my dear friends. Well, acai berry is a wonderful fruit which is rich with all kinds of nutrients. It has a richness of all multivitamins. It has the richness of all the minerals like copper, potassium, manganese, iron and magnesium. It also has a wonderful source of vitamins, especially the anthraquinones like the resveratrol. It also is a very good ingredient for reducing your cholesterol and blood pressure. It also helps in weight loss. It also has a very good quality of life, improving parameters in case of cancer diseases. Not only that, it is a wonderful ingredient which is a holistic health care. This is what I exactly mean by holistic health care. Acai berry is a wonderful ingredient which is rich with antioxidants which can take care of your health from head till the toe. I hope you got my point clear. That is the reason why iPulse is considered as a holistic health care supplement. I hope you got my point clear. So, going ahead, my dear friends, antioxidants can also be available as a part of your diet. So one can consume a good quantity of green tea daily. They can use strawberries and different kinds of berries, use of grapes, use of onions, oranges, especially the citric fruits, dark chocolates, as well as the green leafy vegetables. All these things put together, they are also good antioxidants as a part of your regular diet. You can use this along with the use of our product iPulse also, my dear friends. I hope you got my point. So that doesn't mean that your food has to be improper. Your food also has to be proper along with the consumption of all our Indus Viva products. I hope my points are clear to you. Well, as I told you, antioxidants are very much required for the human body because each and every minute or each and every second for that matter, the process of oxidation is happening inside our body. So each and every oxidation, whenever it happens inside the body, the oxidative stress happens. Whenever the oxidative stress happens, the free radicals are usually liberated. The free radicals are liberated elsewhere in the, it can be liberated from head till the toe. As we normally say that our products are holistic in nature, even the free radicals are holistic in nature. The free radicals can happen from head till the toe. That is also another way of putting it out actually. The free radicals, whenever they are liberated in the brain, they cause a lot of neurological problems. Whenever the free radicals are liberated in the heart, they cause a lot of cardiac complaints like the heart attacks and the cardiac arrests. Similarly, when the free radicals are liberated in the skin, they cause a lot of skin issues or the skin diseases. Similarly, when they are affecting the joints, they cause a lot of arthritis. Similarly, when they are affecting your immune system, they cause a lot of respiratory problems. Whenever they are affecting your blood vessels, you have a lot of bleeding disorders as well as hypertension, hypotension. Similarly, when they are affecting your eyes, you might have a lot of eye related diseases like the retinal problems, conjunctivitis and so on. This is the reason why free radicals, whenever they are affecting different parts of the body, automatically various diseases and disorders are seen in the body. That is the reason why whenever a person is consuming 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, they get the goodness of 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants, which means that iPulse is a wonderful product which can neutralize the free radicals. Again, I am using this wonderful terminology that you people can use in your regular promotions as well. It neutralizes the free radicals. Whenever the free radicals are neutralized, automatically your body will not suffer from any kind of dreadful diseases in future. I hope my points are clear. That is the reason why. So iPulse is a wonderful product for cardiovascular health. It strengthens your heart, it inhibits the platelet aggregation, it reduces your cholesterol levels, it has wonderful antioxidant activities, it improves your immunity or resistance. That is the most important thing. As I told you, your resistance or immunity is not restricted to one part of the body. Each and every cell, each and every tissue, each and every organ in your body has to develop that immunity and resistance. Only then your body can be protected with all kinds of dreadful diseases in the future, including the viral diseases, my dear friends. This is how iPulse is helping us out. As you all know that iPulse can be consumed 30 ml twice daily, half an hour in the morning, half an hour before your breakfast in the morning and half an hour before your dinner in the night. Definitely this process will help you out. For people with diabetes, it is always suggested to consume 20 ml of iPulse in the morning, half an hour before your breakfast, and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before your dinner for maximum health benefits, my dear friends. I hope you got my points clear. Well, these are some of the leads that I wanted to give you so that it helps you market and promote this product in a scientifically validated and a logical way, my dear friends. Well, this is what I had to tell you about the short topic of iPulse today. Thanks very much for your patient watching. So this is a question answer time now. I would like to take the questions from the last week now. So the last week's questions. So my colleague Ms. Santoshini has collected the questions for me today. So the first question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Tummeti Sai Kumar. If Mr. Sai Kumar is seeing this, Sir, can iPulse be given to a person who is suffering with asthma? Absolutely yes, Mr. Sai Kumar, but only one condition is, please don't give iPulse in very cold condition. If you are keeping it in a refrigerator, take it out of the refrigerator, keep it in the outside, outside in your room, where the room temperature is there. Whenever the product comes to the room temperature, automatically you can give this product to the asthma patient. Absolutely, the health benefits are awesome. The second question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Mohammed Pasha. Mr. Mohammed Pasha, if you are seeing this, how iPulse is helpful in leukemia in case of children? As I told you, leukemia is nothing but blood cancer. See, normally what happens is, antioxidants are very important for generating new and new blood cells inside the body. It might be a good blood cell, I am telling, not an abnormal blood cell. So definitely you can give this product for improving the quality of life in children who are suffering with such conditions. As I told you, from 1 year onwards till 100 years, you can consume 30 ml of iPulse twice daily without any discount in the doses, without any decrease in the doses. I hope you got my point. So the next question is from Mr. Jameel Paikad. If Mr. Jameel is seeing this, one of my relatives is 40 years old and has pigmentation on the face due to sun. And the first exposure of the sun, skin becomes more reddish. So after a little while, the dark patch appear, and so this is what is exactly happening. I'll try to moderate this question a bit. Whenever they are exposing themselves to sunlight, it is becoming red. Later on, the pigmentation problem is happening. This is what the question is. If Mr. Jameel is watching this, I would like to suggest you both iPulse and iGlow together. iPulse and iGlow in a combination together for getting better health benefits in this condition. You can use 30 ml of iPulse twice daily and 2 iGlow sachets, one in the morning and one in the night, 15 minutes after food. This is very important. iGlow should be consumed 15 minutes after food for better absorption inside the human body. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question is from Miss Alia Sultana. If Miss Alia Sultana is watching this, sir, can varicose seal be treated with iPulse? How many days this should be given? So I am actually seeing this question as varicose seal. If my pronunciation, if my reading is right here, is it varicose seal or varicose veins? There are two important conditions actually. Varicose veins happens in the leg where there is engorgement of the veins, and varicose seal happens in the testis or the testicles of males. This is where the two issues happen actually. So irrespective of the issue, varicose seal or varicose veins have the same phenomenon of engorging of the veins. The veins usually twist with each other and the blood circulation is impaired. This is what exactly happens. Well, Ms. Alia Sultana, if you are watching this, definitely you can give iPulse at a dose of 30 ml twice daily as a generalized antioxidant health supplement in this particular condition. The next question is from Mr. Praveen Kumar. If Mr. Praveen Kumar is watching, a combination of our products for genetic cerebral ataxia. See, if Mr. Praveen Kumar, if my reading of the question is right, cerebral ataxia, especially in kids or in adults, probably it is in case of children if you are asking me, definitely you can give a combination of this iCoffee as well as iPulse. See, why I am telling you iCoffee is not for diabetes sake. Everybody needs to understand, whenever I tell about iCoffee in combination with iPulse, it is not only for diabetes I am telling. iCoffee contains a wonderful ingredient called as Mucuna pruriens. We call it as Kapikachu or Mucuna pruriens. Whenever you see a packet of iCoffee, you can read that Mucuna pruriens out there. Mucuna pruriens is not only reducing the diabetes inside the body, but this is a wonderful ingredient for neurological disorders like the brain disorders. That is the reason why, Mr. Praveen Kumar, what I am suggesting you here is, you can start with iCoffee and iPulse both, iCoffee creamer and iPulse in specific. iCoffee creamer can be given at a dose of half sachet 2 times, and iPulse can be given at a dose of 30 ml 2 times. Both before food is always important. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Sadashiv Chinchali. Mr. Sadashiv Chinchali, if you are seeing this, one of my friend's father is suffering from cancer 3rd stage with diabetes and taking around insulin 15 to 20 units a day. What are the products to be suggested? Well, my dear friend, Mr. Sadashiv Chinchali, if you are watching this, you can give a combination of iCoffee Black along with iPulse. iCoffee Black along with iPulse. You can give 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, and iPulse will be 30 ml 2 times half an hour before the food. See, again, I'm trying to tell you here, both the products are mainly for improving the quality of life in that patient as well as reducing the impaired sugar levels. I hope you got my point clear. So the last question of the last week that I am taking here is from Mr. Balhar Singh. Mr. Balhar Singh is asking me a question. So I'm a 45-year-old and I met with an accident 2 years ago and my nervous system is disturbed. How can the products help me? As I told you, Mr. Balhar Singh, if you are seeing this, definitely iPulse can be given as a very good antioxidant dietary supplement support for improving the neurological conditions. Especially in case of an accident, there might be a blood clot or loss of activity in one part of the brain. Definitely in such conditions, the iPulse can be given as antioxidants, can help in improving the quality of life as well as improving of the reflexes as well. So definitely you can give this wonderful product in this condition. So coming back to this week's questions, so the first question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Devasi. Mr. Devasi is seeing this. Can we use iPulse for alopecia? One important thing I want to tell you, all my dear friends here, regarding the hair problems, there are a lot of testimonies that we have got. But I don't have a scientific validation or a paper to say that this particular product is good for hair conditions like alopecia. No, I don't have a scientifically validated paper to answer this. So from my side, this is a no from my side. Yes. So the next question is from Mr. Praveen Athoka. If I am spelling your name properly, is iPulse useful for spondylitis? As I told you, most of the neurological problems, iPulse can be given at a dose of 30 ml 2 times. You can definitely use this. The next question is from Mr. Telirinia. Telirinia, if you are watching this, is iPulse good on brain tumors? As I told you, in most of the cancerous situations, iPulse can only be used as a generalized health supplement, an antioxidant supplement in improving the quality of life. That is the reason why iPulse needs to be used. I hope you got my point clear. So the next question is from Mr. Mohammed Abdul Aziz. Can a 4-month boy use iPulse? No. iPulse must be used above 1 year of age. I hope my point is clear. So the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Srinivas. So if Mr. Srinivas is watching this, for low hemoglobin, you said iPulse 30 ml after food, someone who has low hemoglobin count and thyroid and PCOD problem, how should they consume this? So Mr. Srinivas, if you are watching this, definitely you need to continue iPulse 30 ml 2 times, half an hour after the food only. It is important. Along with this, please start with iCoffee also, iCoffee creamer. Because for a condition like polycystic ovarian disease or PCOD, it is all related to the sugar metabolism, impairment in the sugar metabolism. That is the reason why you need to give half sachet of iCoffee creamer in the morning and half sachet in the night, half an hour before your food. Along with that, 30 ml of iPulse twice daily, half an hour after food is always important in this particular patient. I hope my point is clear. Well, the next question that I am seeing here is from Mr. Manish Gupta. Sir, can we give iPulse in vitiligo? Which product is better, iPulse or iGlow? I would like to suggest a combination of both iPulse and iGlow in such conditions of vitiligo. As I told you, this is a pigmentation issue. This will take its own time for completely recuperating. What we are trying to do here by the use of iPulse and iGlow is, we are giving a foundation, we are actually creating a foundation where the disease will not progress in future. I hope you got my point clear. The disease will not progress in future. That is the reason why you can give a good combination of iPulse 30 ml 2 times and iGlow 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, half an hour after the food for beneficial results. The last question of the day I am taking here is from Mr. Jayanta Basumantri. If Mr. Jayanta Basumantri is watching this, can a paralysis patient have iPulse? Absolutely yes. It is also a kind of a neurological issue, and definitely you can give 30 ml of iPulse half an hour before food, at least for a period of 3 months, because the wellness supplements for its absorption inside the body will definitely take at least 3 months time to show its maximum health benefits, my dear friends. So don't worry, my dear friends. Suppose if your questions are left unanswered for this week, my colleagues have noted it down. Again, I will be back next Monday with your older questions as well as the new questions of the day as well. So thank you very much, all the Vivites, all the enthusiastic Vivites, for watching this live and sharing this knowledge. I would always like to request you to share these as watch parties as much as you can and elsewhere on the social media platforms. So thank you very much. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk at Indus Viva Health Sciences Corporate Office at Bangalore. Thanks a lot and have a nice day ahead.